Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make papaya chapati. I have here 4 cups of wheat flour, 1.5 cup of papaya puree, that's ripe papaya, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Let's go ahead and make a soft dough. Ready? Let's go ahead and roll out chapatis out of this dough. So just like take a small ball and then let's roll it out, and then we're going to put it in our chapati tawa or pan. So I have the chapati on the tawa. Let's flip it over and brush some oil. Let's oil it on both sides. You can either make it like this or you can make regular phulkas without oil. Cook it evenly on both sides. Papaya chapati is ready to be served with some curry of your choice. I have the next one, which we are going to make it as a phulka. So I have it here, so I'm going to just roast it out. Phulka is also ready. So you can either make a phulka or a chapati. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.